It all comes down to gross negligence, the reckless disregard for people's safety. Some believe the court's interpretation of that legal term protects police more than it protects the public.
He's again trying to carjack another vehicle.
As a reckless driver left a trail of destruction throughout Charlotte last week,
Pursuit is authorized.
forcing police to eventually give chase,
I have my days.
Aaron Norward continued his long recovery,
Every day is definitely a battle.
knowing his life is forever changed.
It could be worse. Definitely could be worse.
Brittany Webb's family lives that reality.
Sitting at the door, waiting for your child to come in. There's no more to that right now.
Aaron and Brittany, innocent people driving down the road during rush hour back in January at the exact time police tried to stop a black man for driving with a covered but still visible license plate. A man police say fled and then crashed.
It makes me feel terrible. I mean, it's difficult to sit here with them.
Attorneys now represent the victims and their families.
One of the things that we're trying to fight against is government immunity.
Paul Dickinson and Gary Monty acknowledge the driver
So yeah, the person ran. He never should have done that. He broke the law. Put him in jail.
should have just pulled over.
I see multiple parties that need to be held accountable.
They believe the city is liable too, but the lawyers say winning a civil suit is nearly impossible.
It takes away the rights of the individuals, of the innocent victims.
A 1999 North Carolina Supreme Court ruling solidified what they consider a lack of police liability. A plaintiff has to prove gross negligence, a high bar based on the court's interpretation that both attorneys believe give officers too much leeway, enabling them to pursue almost any driver, even if it violates department policy with minimal repercussions.
The city, in essence, under this decision from the Supreme Court, ends up bearing no legal responsibility.
WCNC Charlotte analyzed the most recently available federal data and found North Carolina recorded at least 16 fatal pursuit crashes in 2020, a 24-year high, tied for 7th nationwide.
My children and my wife and my loved ones are on these same roads, right? And so police officers, our real goal is never to cause any harm. Does that happen? It does.
Chief Damon Williams is president of the North Carolina Association of Chiefs of Police.
I put this badge on every morning. I put it on with the hopes that I help, not hurt.
He says departments across the state are looking for ways to reduce deadly pursuits in the future, but that doesn't erase the past.
It's a tragedy all the way around. What does justice look like? I don't know that I can answer that question.
He says the question of justice is one better answered by families like these. Aaron had to learn how to eat, drink, talk, and walk again after spending a month in a coma. His attorney told us his hospital bill alone exceeds $500,000. Nate Morabito, WCNC Charlotte.